What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, some amazing price action over the last few days. In my last video I was talking about Electroneum having a little breakout, and guys, it had a little breakout, quite literally a little bit of static resistance which stomped it out and pushing it back down, back even into the previous pattern. Not that they'd be channelized or combined. And guys, I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin price as well, exactly where I feel like the price action is going in the immediate. And for those of you who want the additive edge, you can head right over to my socials. I literally changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can help you guys get some amazing gains. And for those of you who aren't getting those good gains and want to make some serious money, join the student program. We have an excellent success rate now, still at around 100%. And when I say around, I've had a few people drop out of the program, but guys, they didn't lose any money. They made money right out the gate. I don't think anyone's lost anything ever. Guys, let's be real. We have a collective of many millions here at this point. If you're not making, $1 million a year minimally, you owe yourself to join this course and make some serious cash. And for those of you guys who want specific coin requests, you've got to become a member. But guys, there's so much price action, we've got to just dive right into it. You know the drill. I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with Bitcoin today. An amazing project, just really crushing. Obviously, biggest gains in history. So maybe Ethereum kind of peeking around the corner. So many cool things. All the mains, Polkadot, Cardano. So many good coins right now. Bitcoin definitely one of the mains and definitely very solid. Had a small breakout of this pattern, guys, and a little bit of retracement. Now, there's a lot of talk about what this could be, but let's be real. Right now, I still want you guys to be using wedge theory as a point of reality. Okay, and for those of you who don't know what that is, that's what the student program is for. But definitely a nice little head and shoulders right into this movement. For instance, right here, brief moment of oversold territory, the head, the shoulder, the clear point of support, and then the breakout down to the 100, guys. And you could have taken that measurement easily from point top to point of resistance. And then, guys, talk about target projection here, okay? When you notice the opposing volume coming back into the market, notice the stock lit up, you can expect that price to rebound. We had all the lineups right here, easy trades. And then for the immediate, right now, guys, what I want you to be looking at right now is wedge theory. Okay, so let me just show you that real quick. And we're going to just play this a little wide here, okay? Because why? We have a lot of those tall wicks, okay? So that means we're going to get a volatile movement here, but notice the stock is unloaded. Notice the volume is still kind of creeping up, so we're kind of going to move to the sideways a little bit, and then maybe we're going to retest the 100. If we get the bounce off the 100, that'll be a really good bullish sign, guys. But, don't just say, hey, we're going that way. We do have bullish favor, so we are leaning long, not just that descending wedges do tend to break to the upside by 70%. Okay, that's exactly what I'm looking at. And if we break the resistance in simplicity, I want you guys to take a long. If we break the support, I want you guys to take a short, and then in simplicity even further, take the target projection using wedge theory from wherever we break out to whichever way we go, and then apply that short or long. Okay, quite simply, guys. And then if we do break out to the downside, what's really nice is you can always cross the road, go to higher time frames, and use the EMAs as reference. For instance, going down to the 55, I suggest if you play off anything under the 1 hour. For instance, go up to there to the confirmation, play the target projection, but also notice where the EMA is, guys. I can go back in time hundreds of times and show you guys wicks touching these EMAs on bigger time frames. We're talking all darn day here. Make that a reality for yourself. And guys, let's zoom out to the bigger time frames before we move right along. And guys, we're definitely walking back up. We're back on trend. This is great news. We can just extend this a little bit further here. All right? And just so you guys all know where the trend is. We're back on lead in trend. There's the reverse pressure way back there, guys. That's the continuation moves that I've been talking about as we left the mini accumulation phase way back here, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did pack your bags, because if you did pack your bags, even let's say you just used a small amount, you doubled your money if you held on even to just today. Congratulations, guys, on your freedom of finance right there. That's how easy it is to make money in this market. Don't let anybody scare you out of crypto. Crypto is the future of money, and we are in the infancy stages of it. We still have another 28 years to make a lot of money, as usually developmental processes take around 40 years. All right, guys, let's jump over to Electroneum, a extremely popular coin on my channel, guys. And we're kind of still working that wedge. We broke out of it for a brief moment, guys, and I just wanted to talk about what happened here. Look at that negative volume. People took a little, they got in here probably, I'm guessing, right at the overextension of the Bollinger Band. Let me just pull that up so you guys can see it here. Right, just that brief moment here, they got in there or they got in there, And then when they ride their profits up to, right there, guys, people are going to take some profit. If they're using any bit of extrapolation there, that's a big gain. That could be over 100%. Massive, massive gains there. And guys, just in simplicity, we're on the 4 hour. The stock is about to be loaded up. We're going to go to the 1 hour. All right, we're already unloading. Okay, so we're going to be retesting the median of the bands. We're going to be retesting the 20, the 55. Soon maybe we can actually flip this back up. Guys, let's be real. Board wide almost, my eyes have stayed blue. Okay, and that's because I'm kind of neutral right now. We have to see where this moves. We have to wait for a little bit more volume to come into the market, not just with the main coins, but all the coins. Okay, everything is kind of moving in its own direction in some ways right now. And yeah, we do have a lot of board wide red here, but there's definitely some coins playing, decently strong out there, and it's kind of these coins that are smaller, like 1 inch, ENJ. What is another one? Loop Ring even had a big pump the other day, but you guys get the idea. Electroneum is a very popular coin, and the only thing that stomped this out was a static resistance. Okay, so notice right here we ran into resistance. We ran into it right around here. It played as support right there. I mean, guys, when something plays as support and resistances repetitively, you have to factor it in as a static resistance or support. Okay, so when we actually got oversold here a couple times, I was like, oh, geez, I might as well take these quick profits on this and just get out. And guys, let's be real. I have a large bag of Electroneum, and most of it's free at this point. That's a beautiful thing. If you can do an investment, cash out, and still have a lot of capital going into it, and it's still gaining you every day, and you can hold it for a long time, why wouldn't you hold something in the infancy stages? Electroneum is going to take many more years to develop in general for some of these higher price points we all hear about, $1 or more. Guys, it's going to take time. But 20 cents maybe this cycle, it's possible. It really is. Guys, when this coin pops, you're going to look back at these prices, and as we're in the many, many cent ranges, easily probably over 10, and you're going to look back at these prices and say, ah, crap, I could have 10x'd. That's the truth with Electroneum, guys. Don't miss out on this one. Play the retracements. Play it smart. Excellent buying times, especially if the stock is loaded up. The Bollinger Bands are overbought. I mean, guys, make these buys a reality. Make these gains happen for yourself. They won't make themselves, guys. It's that simple. And Electroneum's going to have some much higher price points. And, guys, this pop will happen. I'm expecting it any time. It really could happen any time. But, guys, we keep walking down. Just think that pop's going to be even stronger. The lower the price goes, the longer it takes to get there to hit the bands at the top, the higher the price will be. So I'm not worried. I mean, let it go. It's okay. Don't freak out, guys. The people who got in at 20 cents, yes, they're in a red ride. They will be for some time. If they can hold on, great. Most of them will swap out. Don't worry about them. That's not you guys. Okay, we got in at 0.0018. We're moving along. I'm up ridiculous amounts. 16x. It's massive. Keep those gains rolling for yourself. Keep this a reality, guys. And that's all the time I have for today. Just some amazing times in Zion, amazing times in cryptocurrency. And guys, if you're not making these gains, I can't express enough. Zion is something that is timeless. I go anywhere out in town. I start talking about what we're doing. I get a new student. I can just start talking to one person and people come up to me at this point. And I'm not even popular. The difference between me and some of these big influencers with hundreds of thousands and 400,000 and 1 million or whatever. Guys, I've only been at this a year. I went from nothing to a lot of something. And guys, I'm a professional trader. There's a big difference between news media and me. I feel like I never have to worry about money again. And that's just a really beautiful, beautiful thing. And a lot of people that know me, even from where I was, I didn't have much starting. So, coming from a small amount to many millions is very exciting. And I won't lie, guys. It wasn't me making all the money that gave me all the peace. It was seeing all you guys do it. There's so many people in Zion who have cracked an M now with some serious strength. I mean, one guy even made it in a month. I mean, guys, that's serious gains. That's serious power that it gives your mind for confidence. Bring that home to your family. If you care about someone and you want them to make gains, send them to me. I will take care of them. You'll see yourself. We are having the best of times, and I'd say even half the student body, I talk to them almost every day now, is just friends. It's incredible. We're making so much money. It is a literal fun house. It's so good, and we have such a support system there, guys. If these gains are not a reality for yourself, you owe it to yourself to give this a shot. Links are below, and guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.